They're some of America's most iconic brands: Heinz, Budweiser, Burger King. And one secretive Brazilian billionaire has gobbled up all three. Jorge Paulo Lemann, founder of Rio-based private equity firm 3G Capital Management. In the last 5 years, his company has been behind the biggest M&A deals in the American food business, amassing him a fortune of more than $20 billion.
3G's track record is tremendous. These guys are known as people who are able to come in, find efficiencies, weed out all kinds of terrible costs that are burdening companies.
Reclusive Lemann hasn't given an interview since 2008 and only spends part of his time in Brazil. He moved his family to Switzerland after an attempted kidnapping of his children in Sao Paulo. His low profile contrasts with the man he unseated for the title of Brazil's wealthiest, Eike Batista.
You know, most people think of rich people in Brazil, they think of Eike Batista. But Eike Batista has lost about $25 billion since his peak on the Bloomberg Billionaires Index.
At 73 years old, Lemann has emerged as one of Brazil's most prolific deal makers. And in his most recent move, the Rainmaker of Rio, as he's known, teamed up with the Oracle of Omaha to take Heinz private for $23 billion.
Buffett said he actually paid a little bit of a premium in order to get into the Heinz deal because they wanted to be aligned with 3G's management.
After the Heinz transaction, Warren Buffett told a Brazilian magazine he's eager to learn more about Brazil, and Jorge Paulo Lemann is a great professor. Dealmakers around the world are taking notes.